We see many things around us. Some are living things, while some are non-living things. Things that have life are living things, like human beings, animals, and plants. Things that do not have life are non-living things, like umbrella, basket, fire engine, and many more. Living things can move, can grow, they need food and water, they can breathe, and can reproduce. While non-living things cannot move, grow, breathe, reproduce, and they do not need food and water. Living things can move. Human beings move using their legs. Animals also use their legs to move. Animals without legs crawl, slide, or swim using their body. Plants also show some movement, like the sunflower follows the direction of the sun. Living things grow. A baby grows into a child, which then grows into a man. A calf grows into a cow. A seed grows into a plant, which then grows into a huge tree. Living beings need food and water. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for their food. Plants make their own food using water, air, and sunlight. Animals depend upon plants or other animals for their food. Living things can breathe. Human beings and animals breathe in fresh air using their lungs. Plants inhale carbon dioxide from the surroundings.
बेटा सो दीज आर लिविंग थिंग्स. आपने जैसे पीछे वीडियो में देखा कि हमने लिविंग थिंग्स और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स बहुत सारी देखी और पढ़ी. अब कुछ बुक में से रीडिंग करते हैं, ठीक है. व्हाट इज़ दिस? दिस इज़ अ ट्री एंड दिस इज़ अ लिविंग थिंग. एंड व्हाट इज़ दिस? फिश. दिस इज़ अ fish and this is also living thing. Rabbit. What is this? Rabbit. Rabbit is also living things. Butterfly, starfish, bird, human being, snail. These are all living things. So beta, today's your homework is memo spelling of tree. TREE tree. FISH fish. RABBIT rabbit. Butterfly. BUTTERFLY. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Take care.